In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use decomposition tree in Power BI. The decomposition tree is a powerful visual that helps you break down a metric to understand what's driving it. Think of it as an interactive way to explore your numbers, moving from a total down into the categories and subcategories that contribute to it. If you're trying to explain why a value is high or low, this visual gives you a clear on-screen investigation path. Start by opening Microsoft Power BI. Give it a moment to load your environment. If you've been working on analyses already, you'll feel right at home. If not, don't worry. This walkthrough will keep things simple and focused. Next, open a report. Choose the report that contains the dataset you want to analyze. It's best if the report already includes a clean data model with the key measures you plan to explore, such as sales, cost, or count of records. This ensures that when you build the visual, you're using reliable fields and calculated measures that reflect your business logic. On the right side of the screen, click on Data. This exposes your tables and fields in the Fields or Data pane, so you can see exactly what's available. If the pane is collapsed, hover and expand it so you can browse your columns and measures comfortably. Take a moment to confirm the names of your fields. Clear, descriptive field names make the visual easier to understand later. Select a data field you want to analyze, then drag it onto the report canvas. Choose the core metric, often a measure like total sales, profit, or any KPI you care about. Dropping it on the canvas creates a visual placeholder that Power BI can convert into other visual types. This step anchors your analysis with the value you plan to break down. Click on Visualization to focus the Visualizations pane. With your metric visual selected on the canvas, you're telling Power BI that any visual type you choose will apply to this selection. This helps you quickly switch from a default visual to the one you actually need without rebuilding anything. Click on Decomposition Tree. Power BI will convert the selected visual into a decomposition tree, placing your chosen metric into the value area. You'll see a clean starting point on the canvas, ready to explore contributors by category. From here, the visual is designed to let you expand into dimensions, compare branches, and trace what's influencing the number, perfect for root cause analysis and executive-ready storytelling. That's it. You've opened Power BI, selected your report, accessed your data, placed your metric, and switched to the decomposition tree. You're now set up to explore your data in a more insightful, interactive way.